So what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a video for reserve token, RSR. You guys can see the cryptocurrency paired against Tether. As of right now, the current price prediction has gone in our favor from our last video, which was produced on the 26th of March. Here it is today. The market is trading around, 7,400 points. We're going to see if the market in reserve rights token is going to continue to go up or will it continue to go down. So welcome everyone to the channel. Make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of our videos and content as well. So now here it is right here. As I said earlier, the market, our prediction forecast was produced on the 26th of March. Look for the price to go higher. And it came and hit our ultimate TP price on May 8th, 2025, 25.16% right there. So now let's go ahead and clear up this chart real quick because the market has exceeded the sell pockets right here in reserve rights. And we will also get rid of this buy pocket and create another sell pocket right here. Okay, so we're going to create this area first as a area that we notice sellers becoming more active into the market, willing to sell their cryptocurrency in this space to take profit or minimize losses, whatever the case may be. But we do recognize that that area was a linchpin for the buyers to where they could not continue to move the market up towards that 12,000 point area or even a penny area. So let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit closer. You guys can see that we are currently seeing the market in reserve rights trending to the downside. Okay, we got that weakness here into the market in reserve rights, even again on this bar, okay, on this daily time frame. So we've noticed that the weakness has increased, selling has increased into the market in reserve rights thus far, so much so that even right here on this buy pocket in reserve rights, the market is now trading below that area. So it just continues to give us more confirmation that this market is not bullish. The market right now in reserve rights is semi-bearish, if anything, just weak. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this too. We're going to create this area here as well as another sell pocket and another one. Let's do one more. It might even be up here, so let me move this up here towards this area. Okay, so now, currently I do suspect that the market in reserve rights is still weak, still anticipating lower prices. You can see right here on the 2 that we are getting a sell signal being triggered in the market for reserve rights. We may actually see price come back down and test this buy pocket around 6,800 points. Take a look at reserve rights on the 3, still looking pretty weak here as well. Get 13 hours and 21 minutes left, but currently this market is not looking bullish. Here it is on the 4. Okay, look at reserve rights on the 5. Again, 13 hours, but pretty much the same narrative is being seen on the 5-day chart, just like on the 3 and the 2. Market is weak. Weekly time frame. And here it is for the month. You got a day and 14 hours, but we're even seeing the market in reserve rights on the monthly time frame. Seeing the market close down at the very bottom of the bar, which signifies that the sellers won for the month of May. Okay. So let's pull this on the hourly chart first. Just trying to see if there's any areas that we can potentially see the market bounce in reserve rights. And there is a potential right now for us to see a minimum bounce in reserve rights, preferably like right in this particular area on the 5-hour chart. You guys can see that this area is trying to bounce from this point right now. Okay, so zooming in right there. You guys can see that the buyers are trying to step into the market in reserve rights. Here it is on the 330. Here it is on the 1-hour chart. These two 1-hour price bars, this one, and then again this one, you guys can see the volume in connection and combining those price bars. You can see that the market is trying to bounce right now. So outside of this area, I would say like 7,250, 7,300 points, the market is going to, in our opinion, continue to dip and go lower. Okay, so we may see a small bounce in the short term for reserve rights, but outside of that, we're going to anticipate the market in reserve rights to continue to dip. Okay, so our first target is going to be right here at the high or the low of this first buy pocket, 6,800 points, all the way down to like 6,650. At the bottom of this buy pocket, it gives us around 10.37%. Then our next target is going to be down here around 5,800 points, which is around like 21.25. Okay, so that's it. I am done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Let me know. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.